Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix all FitGirl installation problems. I show you guys how to do it. Before open this folder, you just need to check my video description for this video link. Watch this video first to avoid setup corrupted error, and then go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Select turn off the real-time protection. Select yes. After turning off, just minimize this page and now double click on the setup folder. Double click on setup and select yes. Select language and select OK option. Select this music icon to mute the music, and if you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box guys. Limit installer to 3 GB of RAM usage, and make sure nothing is running in the background and select next and select next. And select browse option and select the location where you want to save this game and select OK and select next. Check all these and select install option. After the installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusion and select yes and select add an exclusion and select folder, and you just need to navigate to the game folder where you saved. I saved in C drive games, and here is the game folder. Select it and select folder option, and the game has been added to this list. Go back, turn on the real-time protection. After turning on, just to close stuff here and uncheck this option guys. Open this side, redirect to this side and select finish. As you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. Just need to select the allow option, and as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem, and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.